So I've been working on my technical question. Been reviewing uh, the workshop videos. I need to do more hands-on, like practice the postman's test more, write more test cases, uh, do more meetings. I haven't set up enough meetings as it seems, and need to be more active on the chats. Like I'm always active on the chats, but I don't reply enough, I'm feeling. Uh, Also, we're planning to do a show and tell as a group, and I think we need to make a date and do a meeting so that we can fix it and make the slides and go with that.
Okay, great. And what should TS4E should do? Anything?
I mean, today's session was really eye-opening for me because, like, I can see, like, on a lot of cases, I'm way behind. I think today's session was very good for me. So thank you for that.
Definitely. Good.
Sometimes I need that yelling.
Good. Okay. Do you want me to give you my professional feedback?
Yes.
All right. Thank you. Okay. So of course the you have been active better than like the August group, and I was expecting you know many of this already. Maybe you did not pay attention, which is okay. But you from a team, you are doing great on it. But what I was expecting, aggressive show and tell, like asking more questions in the group chat, because you already exposed, you heard some of this wording, right? Wording,
Yes.
all of the wording you heard, all of this, okay? But I was, as you mentioned, that you are not active or you are not asking the questions unless someone asks the question or someone clarify, okay, this is my understanding, I'm still confused. And then we don't know. And another approach is show and tell. Accept the show and tell. I have no idea if know what you're doing. As per today's session, the goal was just to check, gut check, see how everybody is doing. And I agree, we will be doing it monthly at least, but every month will be too expensive. And probably we'll do the grouping. Okay, quickly one group, you guys actually do your own issues and share with us. Then we'll be doing it. As for yes, I will say last 2 months was the best. Again, when I say the best, I mean it the best, because we know what content we provided. Okay, we know what we did and why it is important. And if you have any concern, you can ask Veronica one-on-one, okay, about this content strength. Then she will tell you the same content you have to same type of project, or the project is the different, but the same work you have to do, and the work you are doing here you have to do the same way, somewhere more, somewhere less. But it since the one thing I want to mention, please do not try it just say I'm doing it for practice. The curse, it will be the worst curse on your career if you just, I do not tell anything, this is for the practice. We are literally doing all of this in front of you, so you can learn, you can know what, why, and you can do yourself. But I feel like very disturbing when someone tell me I did it for practice. Well, then in the interview, that's how you do. That's not the goal. Goal is you do all of this because we already showed you. We already showed you. We give you the video. We give you the slide. At least you do all of this. And the more question you'll be asking, I will know, okay, this person is doing something. Okay. So I will highly recommend, please do not use the word practice. These are not appropriate here. It will not be good for you. Thank you.